I'm playing with fire. I might be permanently paralyzed from the chest down, maybe the nipple down, depending how she does it. Not on the spine, not on the spine. So I'm gonna gamble with my life to see if I can get Lulu to crack my back.
3.
She's never been able to do this successfully after 10 years of trying. And all it results in is more pain. But no, my arms don't fit. I'm willing to chance it because at some point, I still hope we have health insurance. At some point, somebody has to learn how to do it. Somebody can get it after 10 years. Right, Ludette?
I'm too light.
That's why you gotta
There's no
you
way I
gotta
can
throw
crack
yourself.
it.
You gotta like hard like that. It's not like soft. It's like 1, 2, bam, like that. Like 1, 2, bam, like that. Okay? Dear Jesus, it's been nice knowing you. No, a little bit higher, a little bit higher, a little bit higher, a little bit higher. Ready?
Am I in the right position?
I think so. Yes. 1, 2. You gotta push upwards, right? 45-degree angle. Ready? 1,
2.
2. You gotta do it like you gotta like snap it like boom like that. Okay?
Oh my god.
Okay. 1,
2.
2. Dear God. I don't know if it worked or not.
3.
No. No. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh god.
You're spitting on my head. Don't drool, please. Don't drool.
Okay, 1.
That's not how you... What, you're just making shit up. This is wrestling moves.
Okay, ready?
No, my body can't take no more.
How about like this? Like 2.
What are you gonna do? No. Well, tell me first. What are you gonna do? Tell me first. Dear God, tell me first. No, my arms don't
Push
bend
and
that
pull.
far.
It's gonna help
Okay,
your...
let's Google first. Let's Google first. Let's Google first. Okay, let's Google first. Google. Google, save me.
Too light.
Yet so much pain. This one seems to be a common one where I just fall back onto the towel. It looks so easy. Hold yourself like this, tight as possible. This doesn't work.
No, because you're not doing it right.
If I'm falling more, I'm gonna get brain damage. Okay, so do the first method. Did you get the first method?
The
slow one? Right, the slow one. You gotta like put your weight into it. Like almost like your whole upper body. Okay. What are you doing? No, wait!
Okay.
You can't just randomly decide to do it.
No, it has to.
Ow, ow. I don't know what that position is good. Okay, method 1 fail. Don't make me laugh. Give me 1 minute. My body needs to heal. I need to be like Wolverine. He needs to heal first. Not a horse.
Oh, maybe the bone on my butt. Let's see.
Jesus. What is this? It's like a back scratcher. Stop.
It did work.
Nothing worked.
No.
I still hope we have health insurance. Oh, Jesus. Enough, baby. Thank you.
You sure?
And trust fall, John. Trust fall.
That's not what.
Ouch. No more. There's no more. These Google videos are all con jobs, all fake news. It's all fake news.